Top 6. Best Reciprocating Saw. However, when it's time to choose the right reciprocating saw, there are many things to consider, and finding the right one for you can be quite a challenge. Well, no worries. In this video, we will present you the top 6 best reciprocating saw on the market today, so if you're interested in what reciprocating saw will work best for you, stay tuned. Number 1. Best Overall. Makita XRJ04Z18V LXT Reciprocating Saw.
Faster cutting with less vibration. The 18-volt LXT Recipro Saw. Makita created an innovative vertical crank design, engineered for less blade deflection, less vibration, and more efficient cutting. It has a Makita-built variable speed motor that delivers up to 2,800 strokes per minute with an efficient 1 1/4 inch stroke length for efficient cutting. With a rubberized soft grip handle and a compact size, this Recipro Saw provides increased comfort and less operator fatigue on the job site. The XRJ04M features extreme protection technology, engineered for increased dust and water resistance for operation in harsh job site conditions. The kit includes 2 fast-charging 4-amp-hour batteries, so they spend more time working and less time sitting on the charger. It's equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the Makita 18-volt series, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.
Number 2. RunnerUp. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Sawzall. If you're looking for a heavy-duty, cordless tool that has the power to chew through nearly any project, you won't find a better option than this Milwaukee model. Its thick rubber handle encases nearly half the length of the tool, making it easy to get a solid grip, regardless of how you're holding it. Its 11.4 pound weight is relatively light for a cordless model this size, and an integrated rafter hook makes it easy to hang up whenever you need a break between cuts. The main drawback to this reciprocating saw is its somewhat bulky 21-inch length, which may be frustrating when trying to make precision cuts. Number 3. Best Budget. Black Plus Decker BDCR 20C20V Max. Number 4. Best Ultra Compact Saw. Bosch 12-volt Max Pocket.
The Bosch 12-volt Max Lithium-Ion Pocket Reciprocating Saw, the fastest in its class. Compact size and lightest weight. Superior ergonomics for comfort and control. Easy to read charge indicator. Powerful motor for the fastest cutting. Powerful LED work light. It comes with Bosch's 12-volt Max Lithium-Ion Quick Charge Power System with unmatched runtime, best cold weather operation, and twice the lifetime. the 12-volt max lithium-ion pocket reciprocating saw.
Bosch, invented for life.
Number 5. Best lightweight saw. Makita RJ03R1.
Cutting power and speed in an ultra-compact size. With the 12-volt max CXT lithium-ion cordless Recipro Saw kit, the slide-style lithium-ion battery, and a more compact size gives you more comfort and more capacity. The efficient variable speed motor is engineered for faster cutting, with features like toolless blade change and the exclusive dual-position switch design that are built with convenience in mind. The compact size and ergonomically designed handle with rubberized soft grip means superior comfort, job after job. It's ideal for quicker cutting and for jobs that take you into tight spaces. For added convenience, the slide-style battery includes an onboard LED charge level indicator. For longer runtime, pick up the 4-amp-hour battery. Makita 12-volt max CXT tools are equipped with a battery protection circuit, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the expanding 12-volt max CXT series, giving you more comfort and more capacity in a more
Number 6. Best for construction. DeWalt Reciprocating Saw, corded, 12 amp. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.